Well, hey everyone, I'm Herrick Kimball back here in my temporary workshop as it is. I'm doing something here that I've been meaning to do for a while. I'm working on a new product. Actually, it's a old product that I developed, and I'm going to finally at some point bring it to market. Those of you who know me know that I create products. It's fun to come up with ideas and create products and sell them on the internet, but there is a problem with that. Making of those products takes time. So what I end up doing is create a product, make a bunch of them, sell them and run out, eventually make more and sell them and run out, and then get sick of making them and the product's no longer available. But I have here 3/4 inch HDPE plastic, and this is scrap. Years ago, I had a company with a CNC equipment cut me feather plates for chicken pluckers, and they cut me out of this 3/4 inch HDPE. They cut me cider press parts. What you just saw me cut up was a reject apple grinder top. I don't sell those products anymore because it's just too much. I focus on the smaller products, and that's what this is right here, a very small product. All these scraps here, these pieces that I've saved over the years, have been ripped to 2 inches. What I'm going to do is further process them, which I'll show you in a minute. But I want you to know that I saved these for years with the intention of using them to make products. And I actually have used this scrap HDPE when making the toe tapper faucet switches and the Whizbang garden weather vane. Waste not, want not. That's the point. Waste not, want not. So I'm going to close up here and I'm going to show you the finished product. So these right here are the finished product. I will cut all of these strips into triangles that you see right here. I will router, just give a little round over to all these edges. I will drill this hole precisely where it goes. And this hole and these holes and the countersink bit right there. It's very tedious. But I will make use of all these scraps, and I'll make these, and these are, you're probably wondering, trellis triangles. Now here's a picture of the trellis triangles on my porch, on my entry to my house, and my wife grew her morning glories. And you can see that what you do is you put a dowel of some sort. It could be wood, it could be a conduit. Between two of these, they can be spread out, they could be short, depending on your situation. And you run strings between the dowels, between the trellis triangle arrangements, and you have a trellis for your climbing plants to grow on. I will make these, hopefully this winter. Maybe not, maybe it'll be next winter. I don't know when it'll be, but I will make these. They'll be pretty and they'll be practical. There's a lot of options with these little trellis triangles. There you go. That's a little peek into the solopreneur creative world of Herrick. Humble though it may be, I actually make a living, at least to some tangible degree, creating things and selling them on the internet. And you can do the same thing. If I can do it, you can do it. The internet provides so much opportunity. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.